would have been too loud for filming.
Very
Felt to be futuristic flying cars from Back to the Future 2, all the way from the year 2015. The Flintstones cars are made mostly out of fiberglass.
Back to the Future อันนี้ของหนังเรื่อง Back to the Future
Fiberglass is a lot lighter, so easier to deal with.
Flintstone
And picture cars are not just literal cars. It's any vehicle at all that's featured on camera. So we have more unique ones in our lineup, like the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. It's missing its glass dome. That was added after filming with CGI, computer-generated imagery. We even have a boat, the Crawdaddy from Jordan Peele's Us, where Winston Duke fought the tethered version of himself. The big tank is from Transformers. It's made mostly out of wood. It's officially called the Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle. So sometimes picture cars don't need to be really drivable, and if that's the case, you can make them out of lighter material like wood or fiberglass. And we'll see some more really famous picture cars on our screens. We have one more picture car on the right-hand side there, a Jeep from Jurassic Park. That's also a clue as to our next stop on the tour, which I'm sure you can figure out, but I'll let John Hammond do the introduction just to make it official. John?
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Thank you, John. Now it's official. So we're going to see a lot of cool items here, all from the original Jurassic Park trilogy. You know, this year marks the 30th anniversary of the original Jurassic Park coming out in theaters. I personally find that horrifying, but some people might find that fun. The second film in the franchise was The Lost World, and the camouflage RV coming up on the left was in that film. That was the mobile lab unit. And that is also made mostly out of wood, just painted to look like metal. It was featured in one scene where it dangles off the edge of a cliff. And that's one area where wooden picture cars are a lot easier to deal with. They make more sense. Is in stunt scenes because they're lighter, in that case lighter than a real RV, so it's easier to manipulate in a stunt scene. Oh, sorry. We also have real-life dinosaurs here. Yeah, they like to spit. They're very frisky. We have one more big dinosaur coming up on the left-hand side. That one does not spit. You can try that, but it's not going to get you. Now the mobile lab we saw back there, here it is in a scene from The Lost World. It looks like the lab is about to go off the edge of a cliff in a jungle. Right there, but that's not a cliff in a jungle. That's actually a parking garage on the front lot of our studio. We never left the lot to film this scene. And the rain in this scene isn't real either. Rain is often used in scenes in things like Jurassic Park to heighten the intensity. But if you need rain, you would use weather effects. We'll get a demonstration of that in our next stop, Old Mexico. These sets were featured in the fourth Indiana Jones film, Big Fat Liar with Paul Giamatti. And Lady Gaga filmed a music video for her song Judas here. But today we're going to stop and enjoy a fake thunderstorm created by weather effects. So we've got some thunder to start off.
Wow, rain มาแล้ว
Sunday morning.
It's raining now. Wow,
The rain is coming out of these little high-tech devices called sprinklers. They're placed on the tops of poles all over the
นั่นไง
set.
sprinkle อยู่ตรงนั้นไง
They shoot the rain up a little, so it falls more slowly than real rain would fall. And the drops are bigger than real raindrops would be.
thunder ด้วย
Real rain is basically invisible on camera. It's too small and it moves too fast. So if it's really raining, that's worse than useless for filmmakers. We still have to use this fake rain either way. Oh, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. That looks like a flash flood.
Whoa!
Yeah. That's our flash flood. It can also be seen in the movie Big Fat Liar. Take a look. You're fine.
นี่แบบหนังในเรื่องนี้นี่